Hi, I'm Gus.
And I'm Aaron.
For our capstone project, we made a portable skateboard ramp.
It is made of 2x4s, plywood, and an aluminum sign.
We had skated a ramp like this before, so first we went to the guy who had built one and asked him how he made it.
After we talked to the guy, he said the sign is about 3 feet wide, 3 feet long, made of aluminum and plywood and 2x4s.
We did some research about skateboard ramps that you use for wall rides. Then Aaron made a model in Tinkercad and we 3D printed it out. We forgot to take pictures in the middle of building the ramp, but we did take some at the beginning and the end.
When we drew the transitions, we drew them too long, so we had to put down a metal plate.
And here are some videos of us testing it out.
We thought the ramp was good, but we wanted to add one more thing.
We put skateboard wheels on a 2x4 and then we added door hinges.
So we can flip it down and wheel it around. We made this project because we love skateboarding and it's our passion.
And who necessarily cares about this project? People in the skateboard community, because maybe when we're older we could turn into people that build big skate parks. Thank you for listening to our capstone project. Goodbye.